At what distance should an object be placed? Let's look at this, read the question carefully. At what distance should an object be placed from a convex lens of focal length this to obtain a sharp image at 24 centimeter from it on the other side? What will be the magnification produced in this case? Clear? Now draw the convex lens like this. Draw the principal axis, optical center F to F. Similar here, F to F. Now, as per the question, they are saying that focal length of convex lens is always positive, 18 centimeter. Image is on the other side, other side. That's a very important thing. Other side means right. This is same side, in front of lens, same side, other side. Is it clear? Now, what is the answer? Simply, they are asking what will be the magnification produced in this case. So, focal length given 1 upon f is equal to 1 upon v minus 1 upon u. U is coming out to be image they have given. Na? At what distance should an object be placed? So they are asking u actually. So 1 upon 18 is equal to 1 upon v, 1 upon 24 because it is other side. So 1 upon u will be 1 by 24 minus 1 upon 18. So once you solve, it will be 24 into 18 by 18 minus 24. So 18 minus 24, how much? Tell me. 18 plus 6, 24. So it comes out to be minus 6. 6 3 is 18 minus 72. Clear? So focal length, this is 18. This is 2f, twice of that, 36. Is it clear? Then u comes out to be like minus 72. Image is formed at 24. 24 means between f and 2f. Here image is formed. A dash, B dash. Between f and 2f image is formed, it means object is beyond 2f. Beyond 2f. It is somewhat here, object. So it is correct, like u will be minus 72. Now they are asking like what will be the magnification? So magnification is, what is the formula? V by u. It is not there, okay? Other side, it is inverted. Inverted. Whether it is magnified or diminished, we will check with the help of this magnification, okay? So V comes out to be how much? 24 positive minus 72. So it will be minus 1 by 3. Obviously, like if object is beyond 2f, image will be between f and 2f and it is diminished. Clear? You are going away from the lens, the size of image is going to decrease. If you are going towards lens, the size of image is going to increase. I hope this is clear. It's still same very easy question, like they have given a data, focal length, object distance, sorry, image distance they have mentioned. They are asking object distance. Clear? Simply we have applied the formula and get the answer. It is not that much tough, again I am saying. Only one thing like in this question that is important, they have mentioned on the other side. That is a pointless point thing like that you have to understood. That is very important thing, like if you understand this concept like it is forming on the other side, it means it is real. Then accordingly you have to put the sign of V. Then finally you will get the answer. Okay. So thank you so much. Still you have doubt, please ask me in the comment section anytime. Thank you.